We work alongside the Guildford School of Acting, GSA, because we believe in investing in the next generation of theatre professionals. Our partnership is built on shared values like honesty, teamwork, and learning. TSL is committed to providing outstanding technical support, but we also know it's the little things that make a big difference. This means providing real-world opportunities. The students gain direct, practical experience by shadowing and working alongside our warehouse teams, learning firsthand the TSL commitment to quality and excellence. This includes understanding the importance of meticulous prep, which ensures every piece of equipment is flawlessly prepped before it leaves the warehouse. This dedication shows how TSL looks after its clients and understands the importance of professional relationships we have built. Through sharing knowledge and offering mentorship to emerging talent, we ensure students gain invaluable practical skills and a great understanding of the industry, preparing them for the excellence in their future careers.